Let's be honest for 1 second. A few seconds on TikTok can quietly change someone's bank account. One short video pulled in over $150,000. Another one cost $60,000. And I've seen simple clips doing over $1,000 without breaking a sweat. And here's the wild part: none of the people behind those videos created a product, handled shipping, or worried about inventory. They simply plugged into affiliate marketing, pressed record, and let TikTok do its thing. Most of these videos take under 20 minutes to make. And from years of experience, this is hands down one of the fastest ways to earn your first commission online. No startup money, no big audience, no face on camera if you don't want to. My goal is simple. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set yourself up to make your first few dollars online using this strategy. To understand why this works so well, you first need to understand what TikTok quietly rolled out. TikTok Shop launched in late 2023 and it completely changed how people buy on the platform. TikTok now has over 1 billion monthly users, with a massive chunk coming from the US, and studies shows that about half of those users have bought something after seeing it on TikTok. That's not motivation talk, that's behavior data. TikTok Shop allows users to buy product directly inside the app. No bio link, no extra steps. Someone sees a product while scrolling, taps it and checks it out like they are on Amazon. Less friction equals more impulse purchases, and more impulse purchases equals more commissions for affiliates. Affiliate marketing itself is very simple. You promote a product that belongs to a brand, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. That's it. Some creators show their faces, some don't. Some talk, some just add text and music. The format doesn't matter nearly as much as the product itself and how it is presented. If that part makes sense, you are already ahead of most people who overcomplicate this. Now let's talk about the money, because that's what everyone is really curious about. Behind the scenes, affiliate tools allow you to see which products are selling, how much revenue they've generated, and even which videos are responsible for those sales. You will see everyday product price around $20 to $30, pulling in hundreds of thousands in total revenue. When you drill down, individual videos sometimes generate tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales. Affiliates usually earn anywhere from 5 to 30% per sale, depending on the product. Even on the lower end, a single viral video can turn into thousands of dollars in commission. That's not hype, that's mathematics. Once you see this, the next step is obvious: getting access. If you already have a TikTok account with a solid following, you can activate TikTok Shop directly inside your account. If you don't, and most beginners don't, you can still get in by creating a TikTok Shop account separately and linking it to your profile. You don't need to own a product or run a store. Once approved, you can promote product even with 0 followers. TikTok doesn't care how popular you are, it cares how well your content performs. Inside the TikTok Shop marketplace, you will see thousands of products across every category imaginable. You will also see prices, commissions, and performance data. This is where strategy matters. High commission is good, but product quality matters more. Promoting bad product leads to refunds, angry customers, and eventually a dead account. Always align with products you are comfortably standing behind. One of the biggest advantages here is how easy TikTok makes selling. Product can be tagged directly inside the video. Someone watches your clip, taps the product link right there, and buys without leaving the app. That convenience is exactly why creators are printing commissions every single day. Now comes the most important part: choosing the right product. This single decision can make or break everything. One of the easiest ways to spot winning product is simply by scrolling your own for your page. Patterns show up quickly. The same product, similar video styles, consistent engagement. That's TikTok literally telling you what's working. You can also browse the TikTok Shop marketplace directly to compare pricing, reviews, and payouts. But if you want to move faster and smarter, advanced product research tools exist that show trendy products, revenue charts, and even the exact videos driving sales. This removes guesswork completely and replaces it with proof. Once you've locked in a product, you decide how you want to show up. Some creators prefer faceless content, simple clips showing the product in action, paired with text, music, and a clear call to action. This route is beginner-friendly, fast, and don't require confidence on camera. Other creators put their face on screen, talk about the product, demonstrate it, and build trust with their audience. This takes slightly more effort but often leads to stronger long-term results. Both approaches work. The best one is the one you can stay consistent with. To create content properly, having the product in hand is still the easiest route for beginners. While AI-generated videos exist, they are better suited for advanced creators. Buying the product yourself is an investment, not a cost. Once it arrives, you can film multiple videos from different angles and styles. If you already have some tractions on TikTok, you can even reach out to brands and request free products in exchange for promotion. Many brands are happy to do this because it costs them very little and gives them exposure. When it comes to the videos themselves, don't reinvent the wheel. Study what's already working. Watch the top performing clips promoting the same product. Note the hook, the pacing, the text, and the call to action. Recreate the structure in your own way. Over time, this becomes natural. The first few videos might feel awkward, but momentum builds quickly once TikTok start pushing your content. This isn't a get-rich overnight fantasy. It's a system, one that worked throughout last year and is performing even better. You now have the full roadmap, from understanding the platform to choosing the product to creating content that actually converts. If you stay consistent and approach this with intention, results will come. I really appreciate you sticking through this. If you have questions, drop them below. Whether you are starting from zero or trying to scale what you already have, I'm here to help you move forward. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Whatever you do, never stop making money.